Hello students, today we are going to solve problem number 18. Question is written as, consider the pin jointed plane truss shown in the figure. Let RP, RQ and RR denotes the vertical reaction, that is upward positive, applied by the supports at P, Q and R respectively on the truss. Now the correct combination of RP, RQ and RR is represented by. Now we have to determine the support reaction at P, Q and R. For finding the support reaction, we have to use the equilibrium condition. So the first equilibrium condition is summation of forces in the vertical direction is equals to 0. Now three support reactions are acting in the upward direction. So it will be equals to RP plus RQ plus RR, which will be equals to 30 because 30 kN load is acting in the downward direction. This is our first equation. Now the second equilibrium condition is moment about P is equals to 0. Now because of RR there will be a anti-clockwise movement of magnitude RR into 9. So we will write it as minus RR into 9. Similarly from RQ it will be equals to minus RQ into 6. And because of 30 kN load, a clockwise movement will be acting. So it will be equals to plus 30 into 3, which will be equals to 0. On solving this equation, we will get 2RQ plus 3RR will be equals to 30, which is our second equation. Now we have to consider the right hand side of section XX, that is this section. Okay. Now considering the right hand side of section XX, we have to apply the equilibrium condition, that is summation of all the forces in the vertical direction is equals to 0. That is summation of forces in vertical direction is equals to 0. So we will have RQ plus RR will be equals to 0. So we will get what? RR equals to minus RQ, which is our third equation. On putting the value of RR in equation 2, we will get 2RQ minus 3RQ will be equals to 30. From this we will get RQ is equals to minus 30. If RQ is minus 30, from equation third we will get RR as minus RQ. So it will be equals to minus into minus 30, which will be equals to 30 kilonewton. So RQ is equals to minus 30 and RR will be equals to plus 30. Now we have to determine RP value also. So we will use the equation first, that is RP plus RR plus RQ will be equals to 30. On putting the value of RR and RQ here, we will get RP as 30 kilonewton. Okay, so we had determined the support reaction at P, Q and R, which will be equals to 30 minus 30 and 30 kilonewton. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.